Hello traders, welcome to our edition of Tactics and Analysis for Monday, April 3rd. The euro had an action-packed March, and April will likely bring more tests for traders to consider. March saw the euro start from low water marks and steadily climb and peak in value early last week. The European currency had been helped by improving economic data from the European Union and the correct anticipation by investors who had already factored in the Federal Reserve's interest rate hike in the middle of March. However, in the past week, the euro has been once again put under pressure after it failed to hold on to its gains. The currency now finds itself squarely within a value range against the US dollar, which it traversed leading up to the US central bank's actions. A midterm chart suggests further tests will come for the euro. There are two important risk events which will unfold late in April and create plenty of speculations leading up to their outcomes. One is the first round of the French presidential election on April the 23rd, and the second is the European Central Bank's meeting on the 27th of this month. Investors always like clarity, and they will be interested to see how the centrist politicians fare in the French election. And the ECB's pronouncements later this month will likely state the European Union is experiencing better economic conditions. The question is if the ECB will suggest it will start to change its monetary policy. Before those events take place, there will be factors which will come from afar for the euro: the way in which global equities performed, the US political landscape, and what will become of tough negotiations within the UK regarding the Brexit. All these will be contemplated, which means the euro is likely to see choppy trading ahead based on sentiment shifts in the short term and perceptions regarding risk events which will take place. The European currency is still trading within the lower depth of its long-term range, and traders may be tempted to look for potential upside. The euro should be watched closely. Opportunistic traders who are a bit speculative may be tempted to buy the euro in the short term against the US dollar if they believe it will try again to test resistance seen early last week. The short term could be positive for the euro, mid-term and long-term were unbiased. Thank you for watching Tactics and Analysis. We wish you profitable trading.